Guys, I just saw this new trader girl and she has a bunch of stuff and I think I can scam her. So let's try this. Okay, trading super rare emoji fidgets. Going once, going twice.
Oh, me.
What do you have to offer? These are super rare, so it has to be a really good trade.
I just traded for this water molecule.
You are so under. These are like so rare to get.
How about 2 poppets?
You need to add. You are so under.
2 fidget spinners.
No. You need to add. This is like super duper rare, and these are really hard to find.
How about my wacky track? 2 squishies, my unicorn poppet, and my other wacky track.
You are still way under add. There's 8 of these, and that's like not anything.
How about this bike chain? This little thing where you can play rock, paper, scissors against yourself. These, and this basketball thing. That's all I have.
You are still really under, but I guess. No trade backs.